all threaded up. I like to test on a wide zigzag because it's a lot easier to see your stitch issues. So I've got my control indicator, it goes to 5 now. Got the stopper on the widest setting. Nice little fine stitch. Just have the snippers. There we go. See our bobbin thread pulled the white underneath a little bit, so we'll dial that up to 5 and we haven't fixed our problem, but it's starting to pucker sideways. So I'm gonna remove bobbin tension. And I'm gonna lower that a little bit more because it does feel pretty tight. There we go. So that was a 1/4 or a 1/2 turn, which is quite a large adjustment for a bobbin case, but it felt really tight. Now, I did not adjust the top. The top is still set on 5. And our bobbin case was lowered by 1/2 a turn or so. And now we've got nice even green is the bobbin, white is the top thread. And then when I open in the middle, there's green and white on the good stitch, and there's only ever white coming through when I've got too much tension on the the green is gathering white underneath. So give it a straight stitch. Now, because this is a side loading machine, the straight stitch tends to use the same tension setting. Front loading machines are less tolerant of or are more sensitive to tension when you switch from zigzag to straight stitching. But the side loading machines tend to have a more stable tension when you switch between stitches. So this is not a lot of white visible underneath, but I think that's an optical illusion when I pull it apart. I am only getting green. Okay. So there. It's the other thing. 2 stitches or 2 different colors of thread helps prevent optical illusions. Some colors will be hard to spot. So now that I lowered the top, it's a little less visible on the there. When I tug, still not getting that. Well, this is quite interesting. It's very rare that a side loading machine needs this much tension adjustment from straight to zigzag. There we go. Down on 3, I'm starting to get the correct visibility, and then when we open it, when I pull it apart, I can see the white and the green doing their interlock. So, alright. There. With this dial, or this zigzag stopper fixed, this machine is ready to go.